I am 3 for 0 with motors on CB200s. So what we decided to do was Harbor Freight. This is gonna be a fun little one. What's up? So we're making a mount for the motor, and of course it's always best to knock it up with some cardboard prior to cutting some metal, because that metal's expensive for sure. Yeah, that side's good. There we go. Alright, checking on the powder coating. Looks like it's going pretty good. Alright. Got ourselves one of these little Harbor Freight setups. It's actually not bad, and it works pretty good. Use this little mini oven. It actually doesn't work too bad for these little small little parts. Ended up finishing the triple tree right here. We powder coated this as well. Turned out pretty good from what it used to look like. Man, it was pitted. It just, paint was looking awful on it before. But yeah, it's kind of a little dry mock-up right now. These shock tubes are pretty bent. You see that right there. And you got some dents in there, so we're probably not going to use those. We're probably going to have to scour the internet for some better shocks. And don't know if we're going to salvage the rear shocks or not, but a lot of this stuff we're just going to sandblast and take to powder coating. Sit up here with the mock-up right here. So you can see I made the little mock-up frame. That is definitely not going to be the permanent solution. Went to a fabrication shop here in town, and they are going to mock up exactly what I need and what I want, and it looks way, way better, way better.
It won't come off.
All right, hold on a second. Some of the things.
And the back.
Maybe. I don't know if we'll have time for the back one. Man, look at that. Alright, I've got new Amazon seat in for the CB200, which is Harbor Freight CB. I don't know what we're gonna name it. It's gonna be the Honda Freight 223. I don't know what it is. But anyways, today we got the seat in, and we're gonna go ahead and make a little bracket. Kind of mock this up a little bit in a way that I feel like it's gonna work.
All right. First, take it starting the Honda.
The Harbor Freight Honda. So it'll be a Honda Freight. It'll be the Honda Freight. Oh, already drifting. Oh snap.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Oh yeah, big time drifting.
Oh.
Okay, okay. That was reserve. Okay, we're good.
What is a reserve?
Alright, here we go.
Oh, I love that smell.
It's getting some gas. Does not look like it's getting gas.
Uh-oh.
Alright, you can pause it.
Round 2.
Alright, let's try it.
I'm scared.
Maybe.
Yeah!
Yeah, we're out of gas. Alright, yay, we got it going. Guess we can get this thing started again. Cut out on us. That's right. Here with the video, put it by way.
Doesn't smell good.